These windows on the right are covered for a reason, for blogging, but they can be removed and just be regular windows that show into the living area. This is where they have blogged from. That chamber stove comes with it. There's a chimney behind that for wood burning stove if needed. These are commercial grade windows they put in on the blogging room. Let's get a view. Mineral spring-fed pond. There is a creek on the property. Several springs. Okay, let's go into the main part of the house. This porch is 72 feet long. It's enclosed. These logs are 100-year-old logs.